Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've finished the welding, and I've got some form ply, which is like a waterproof plywood that they use for when they're doing concreting and stuff like that. So I'm going to use that as a base. I've measured out, it's 2.4 long, and it's 34 inches wide. That allows a little bit of overlap from each metal piece I've got welded on there. I've got a piece of timber as a straight edge to make sure I cut straight. Need a battery. Oh, these are gutless. First time I've used it. I've had it for a long time. You can see it's kind of a bit rusty, but yeah. I might have to go to the 240 volt one. Okay, I've dug out the old trusty Ryobi. I'm not sure how old it is. I've had this a long time, but it's made in USA, not China. I've had to move this across because there's a different distance between the blade, and I've only got it lifted up so that the blade doesn't go too far past where I need to. Okay, now get some screws and I'll start mounting it up.